right. 365 days ago, just like it was in last year's video, we're heading to Tall Pines ATV Park in Andover, New York, Farm Fest weekend 2019. Out of all the parks that I've been to now, Tall Pines still remains one of my favorite parks. Even after the trip down Louisiana, going to Muddy Bottoms, going over to River Run in Texas, and going to Hillarosa in Arkansas for Mud Nationals. There's just something about Tall Pines that I just can't explain it. It's an awesome park. And for anybody that lives in New York or close to the New York border down by Pennsylvania, if you've never been to the park, you should definitely make some plans to get there and try it out. Great people, great staff, and it's just an all-around good time. I mean, there's a little bit of everything there for everybody, and kids, new riders, experienced riders, everybody should be able to have a good time there. For Farm Fest, they also do the bounty hole, which this year they're doing a $2,000 grand prize for the bounty hole, which would be pretty cool to see. So I'll be curious to see how many people show up for that and what kind of machines are going to be there for it. But gonna have a good time, gonna be there. We got the Mud Slut, we got Kimmy, Michelle, Bubba, Dave, Karen, myself. You know, we're all gonna be camping together, riding together, and we're gonna be having a good time again this year, just like we did last year. So be looking forward to it. Excited to get these videos done up as soon as I get back home from the trip and start working on them and sharing it with everybody. So stay tuned, videos will be out soon, and we'll have some fun. Thanks for watching.